Let me show you how to edit a PDF on your iPhone. iOS 26 added a ton of new features in terms of editing PDFs directly and natively on your iPhone without any need for third-party apps. Now, the first thing you need to do is head into the Settings app on your iPhone. A great PDF editor is built into the new iOS 26. So just tap on General, Software Update, and Update to iOS 26. The nice thing is you don't need any third-party apps to edit a PDF now in iOS 26. Now, all you need to do is, let's say you got emailed a PDF, and I emailed this one to myself, Sample Rental Agreement. So I can open it up here, and you'll be able to see now at the very bottom is Preview, a brand new app on your iPhone. Just tap on that to open it up. Now on here, you'll be able to see Sample Rental Agreement with all of this information. Let's say you needed to edit this. Let's say you needed to fill this out with your name, the date, maybe you need to sign it, etc. The easiest thing that you can do is tap on that little pencil with the 3 dots. Now it will automatically determine where it thinks there are certain text fields to fill out. So I can zoom in, and for the tenant, I can put my name, Trevor Nace. And on this day, I can put the 5th of whatever day it is, October, and then I can keep filling this out. Now, keep in mind, there are some other options as well. You can tap on the little pencil icon at the bottom left. And let's say you want to sign your name. So you can just start signing your name anywhere on here. If you want to fill it out and have your signature on there, keep in mind, you can choose different pen types, how thick it is. You can even have an eraser, and you can kind of erase a section that you don't necessarily like. Now, after you've gone through those steps, you can, of course, hit the back button, and you can decide to save this. You can browse around. You can have a new document. But let's say we wanted to go back to this one that we were just editing. So you can see I have my name, I have my date here. Now, all I need to do is hit the share button at the bottom right. And I can basically have an option that I can airdrop this. I can send it as a text message. I can print it. I can save it to files, etc. I have a bunch of different options from here. I can also just tap on the arrow at the drop down arrow. And for instance, I can rename this. I don't want it to be this random thing. And I'm just going to rename this rental. Now you have a bunch of different options. Of course, you can also tap on the search bar here. If you want to search for, say, anything that has a $sign, you want to see how much is the rent here and how much are the late fees, etc. You can search for anything. Basically, you have a full functioning PDF editor built right into your iPhone.